Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that allows taxes to be refreshed in purchase transactions when linked tax types are defined in the software. To link tax types based on rates, go to the Setup Taxes option and click to open Link Tax Types on Rate Basis for Purchase. Tax types are already linked for apparel and footwear. For example, if an article belongs to the apparel category and its price 1000 rupees or less, GST of 5% is applied. If price exceeds 1000 rupees, GST of 12% is charged. Similarly, for footwear, a GST of 12% is charged if the price is 1000 rupees or less, while an 18% GST is applied if the price exceeds 1000 rupees. These predefined settings ensure that the correct GST percentage is applied based on the item's value. Now, let's discuss this option and how it works in the purchase process. First, we will create a purchase entry without enabling this option. Suppose the basic rate of an item is entered as 500 rupees, and since this item belongs to the apparel trade, GST of 5% is applied. However, if we later edit the rate to 1100 rupees, you will notice that the tax remains unchanged. This inconsistency can lead to errors in tax calculations. To prevent such conflicts, there is a setting available in Purchase Configuration. Navigate to Other Settings too, where you will find an option labeled Link Tax Types. When you click the drop-down menu, you will see three options: Not applicable, which is the default option. Taxes will not be refreshed. Second, Refresh Revise. Taxes will be refreshed for the respective row when the rate is changed. Lastly, Refresh Before Save. Taxes will be refreshed before saving the voucher. To help you understand, let's choose second option where taxes will be refreshed revise. After that, save the configuration. Let's create a new voucher and repeat the same process. This time, you will notice that as soon as the rate is updated to 1200 rupees, the taxes are refreshed automatically based on the option enabled in the configuration. Now, let's discuss the other option, which refreshes the taxes before saving the voucher. Click on New Bill to clear the existing details. Enter a transaction for an item with a rate below 1000 rupees and complete the entry. You will notice that the system correctly applies a 5% GST as the rate is 500 rupees. Now, modify the rate to 1300 rupees. Since this option requires saving the voucher for the changes to take effect, let's proceed with saving it. Upon modifying the purchase voucher, you can clearly observe that the GST percentage has been updated to 12%.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.